Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig talking on the phone.
Let's start drawing.
To start, I'm going to draw Peppa. I draw her eyes. Then her nose. And the shape of her head. And her smiling mouth. And a circle for her cheek. I draw her ears. I draw her body. And her arms. She has a mobile phone in her hand. I draw 9 buttons on it. Excellent!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
First, I color Peppa. I use this pink marker for her skin. I start with her head. Then I use light purple for her cheek. For her mouth, I use 2 different shades of red. I color her dress with this red marker. For the phone, I use gray. Light blue. And rainbow colors for the buttons. Red. Then I use orange, yellow, then light green, dark green, light blue, a little dark blue, purple, and pink. Fantastic!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.